Hi guys, please follow Club Cover for cover content, and as this account won't be available from tomorrow, which was Gogo Skoteni Magapala lapha ku Instagram story yakhe. Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Gogo Skoteni reveal ukuthi bandaba follow share it page yakhe le Club Cover restaurant yakho is the club live kungasekudzala, so I'm not sure ukuthi ayiqalile ku-operator or ayisengaqali, but kuthiwa yakhe and people were saying ukuthi yakhe njani bafranta ngayo, but anyway asikho lapho. So ngiyatibota ukuthi makathi this account won't be available from tomorrow. What does this mean? Is she trying to say ukuthi account yakhe uGogo Skoteni mhlambe uyoyikhipha or uyayithengisa? What is happening? Guys, yonke into possible ngalo sesilo, like lately nje when I attended the snacks, I used to love uSkoteni, but lately nje na uhlala afuna trend for the bits ago. And people are saying ukuthi hayibo avesithiniwe ngalona batane lona cause she doesn't know when to stop. I hope ukuthi lana it's not one of ma-stunts akhe stuthi singena nakusasa siloku siyibone i-account, but uthi yena it won't be available from tomorrow. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.